it's a great Sunday today. Why? Because it's my Uncle Washington's birthday. He is my dad's brother and he's going to celebrate his birthday in one of the Filipino restaurants in Rome. The name of the restaurant is Tali and Tiago, and I haven't been there personally. So let's see later what is their menu, what is their special dish. So before that, my gift to my uncle is a tart with passion fruit. Come on guys, I show you how to make it. Guys, here are the things that we need to make tart with passion fruit. So we have the custard cream. I already prepared this last night. It's already chilled. And we have here our crust. I already baked this yesterday as well. The first thing that we're going to do is, of course, put our gloves. Put it like this. Let's see. And that is it. And we have to get this thing. Guys, slowly. I put it here. That. Check if it's balanced. And I need a spatula. Now let's pour our cream. And now let's put our passion fruit. And let's see if it's the right one.
Guys, we are at the entrance of Tali and Tiago, and these are their menus. There are a lot of Filipinos eating right here. It's my first time to come here. As you see, it's Filipino restaurant and bar. Come on guys, let's go in. I don't know where is my uncle yet. This is the entrance. And let's go and find them. They are there. Ciao! Ciao! Ciao, Sio! Auguri! Ciao a tutti! Ciao! Ciao, Sio! It's my uncle. It's his birthday. Saluta, Sio! Saluta! Ciao a tutti! Ciao, it's my uncle. Ciao! Auguri! There is my nephew. He's 6 years old. Say hi here. Hi. Julio. Ciao, Julio. She's my sister, Rodalyn. And that's Emma. Hi, Emma. Nagwinek. And here are the other visitors of Sion. My uncle. Madre Marisa. Ciao. That's Lovelox. And Manang Chita. And that's my Sia. Smile, Sia. Smile.